Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my nighttime skincare routine. But first, if this is your first time coming across my videos or seeing my face, please hit the subscribe button, join the gang, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on my videos. Anytime you see my face, thank you for sticking to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you my nighttime skincare routine. Very basic nighttime skincare routine. This is what I do to keep my face clean, keep my face, I suffer from acne a lot. I had acne all over my face, but then ever since I just made sure that I was keeping my face clean and following a routine, my face became better than it was before. However, I plan on adding more products to the ones I already have, but this is just what I use right now at this moment to keep my face clean. So yes, I'm going to be showing you step by step. If you have any question or anything, just leave it in the comment section. So first thing I usually do with my face is I wash my face. I have a face brush that I use in washing my face, and I use my regular soap. I'm very lazy when it comes to keeping up with my skincare routine. I feel like my husband is more consistent than myself when it comes to keeping up with skincare routine. But however, I do use my regular soap to wash my face and my brush. So I just wet my face, wash it, and then get started. So let me do that right now. Okay, so guys, first thing I did was wash my face, wet my face before applying my soap in it. So now I'm going to apply my soap on my face, and then so I'm going to say that I have mascara on my eyes right now, my lashes right now, and it's crazy that even after washing my face, wetting my face with water, it's still sticking there. I'm not going anywhere. It's a really good product. Kudos to Oriflame. They're doing a very good job. I love that product. Aside from the fact that their products are expensive, but they really have good products. So yeah, I'm going to wash, So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to wash this off, then I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, I just washed off my face. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dab the water from my face. Okay, so when I'm done washing my face, so next I'm going to use my apricot face wipes. I simply just take out my face wipe and I put in this micellar cleansing water. People use cotton wool, right? But then I like to use face wipe because I feel like it comes with its own properties. It helps to remove traces of oil and grease and makeup. Aside from using it to clean my makeup, it also helps to cleanse, tone, and moisturize your skin, and it's good for all skin types. So yeah, I like to use it. Doesn't matter what products you're using, just as long as it works for you. If you have tea tree, maybe you're still suffering from acne, you can use the one that contains tea tree oil or lavender oil, whichever one suits your skin. And it doesn't have to be beauty formula, but this is beauty formula. I got it at the mall. You guys, I'm so tired. Yeah, but I got it at the mall. So sometimes I use jasmine or apricots. I just want something soft and mild for my skin. So yeah, I'm just going to apply a little bit of this on my face wipe. Then this is usually so nice when I do it. Amazing. It's usually so nice when I put it on my skin. It just has this kind of cooling effect. on the skin. So not as much as I just washed my face, there's still a little bit of traces of dirt. So yeah, that is why I love to clean my face after washing. Then I like to dry for like 6 minutes thereabouts, and the next product is going to go into my face. Okay guys, so I waited for a few minutes. I didn't really check how long I waited, but I waited for my face to dry off. So now that my face is completely dry, I'm going to be using this face scrub to scrub my face. Now the reason why I had to like wipe my face off first is to get rid of any dirt that is on the surface of my skin. I always feel like when I scrub my face, the air pores are open, so I feel like dirt can just go into the air pores again. That's how I feel. So instead I like to like cleanse my face before, you know, before applying my scrub. So now I'm going to scrub my face gently and mild. This product is from Oriflame Sweden Glow Essential Mask and Scrub with vitamin E and B3, all skin type. So this is nice. I'm going to massage it thoroughly through my face. For gently and slowly. It's very mild, so it doesn't really like bruise your skin whatsoever. It just goes, you know, softly on the skin. So yeah. Okay, so you saw that it's also a face mask. So what I'm going to do after applying this, I'm going to leave it on for like 5 minutes, 6 minutes thereabouts. Then I'm going to wash it off my face. So yeah, let's wait for like 5 minutes, 6 minutes before washing this from my face, off my face. You know what I mean? So guys, it's all dried up, as you can see. So now I'm going to wash it off my face, and I'll see you in a minute. I just finished washing off the scrub from my face, and my face feels so nice, so clean, so soft, so smooth. Next thing, usually there are moods with there are some moods I let it dry off on its own without using the towel to wipe my face. Other times I don't have that patience. Get, I think times like now I don't have the patience. So now I'm just going to cleanse off my face using my Oriflame face toner, comforting facial toner. It has vitamin B3 plus vitamin B5 from oats and palm panthenol, yeah. So guys, just so you know, micellar water can also be used as your face. It's also like a face toner. When you use it, you don't have to wash it off your face. You can allow it dry on your face, and for according to the instruction here, you can use it on your eyes, your under eyes, your lips, and it does no damage whatsoever. So yeah, and it's actually really good. Like ever since I started using it, I can see some difference in it. So but for me, based on the cosmetologist that I am, I just like to use the way I like to use it, period. So yeah, I'm just going to apply a little bit on my cotton board. This is my cotton pad, cotton board, whatever you call it. Cotton wool, yeah, it's cotton wool, sorry. it's really like thick. Doesn't feel like water at all. So just going to like I'm going to wait for 6 minutes for this to like, do its work, for it to soak in before putting in the next product on my face. So now we are waiting for 6 minutes. Like, I always like using 6 minutes, 6 minutes to 8 minutes. I feel like that is the time for your product to at least soak into your skin. Do you understand what I'm saying? Are you vibing with me right now? So yeah, count with me. We're waiting for 6 minutes. Okay guys, so 6 minutes later, this is what my skin looks like right now. I'm going to be applying my Oriflame face cream with vitamin E and B3 for all skin type. So this always has, like, it also has SPF on it, so it's something you can apply, outside. SPF 10 on it, so you can apply it during the day, but no guarantee that it's going to like completely, this is too much, but no guarantee that it's going to completely like save your skin from the sun. Okay, the sun doesn't play, it doesn't joke. I feel like this is too much. So, like I said, there's always a 6 minutes interval before applying the next product. So, I'm going to let this sit on my face for 6 minutes and then I'll be applying the next product, which is like the last product. So, see you guys in 6 minutes. Okay, guys, 6 minutes later, last product that we're gonna put in our face is Nova Age Facial Capsule Oil, or oil capsule. But this is the most expensive skincare product I have. It's so expensive, you guys. Like, I actually don't use it anyhow. Do you get? So yes, I'm going to be using it tonight. So yeah, this, applying your oil last is actually the best, because especially for facial oils like this, like, it helps to seal in your products. Like, everything you've applied so far, it just helps to seal it in and make sure you see the result. So I'm going to be using my needle to like pierce a hole on it, and now like that, like that. Okay, so ooh. You know what I don't get is how Snapchat people, like, they don't even know you, but they'll just start calling you for no reason at all. Like, you don't know me, so why are you calling me? So I really like for the oil to, really soak into the face. Yeah, like, the least but not last, I'm going to be applying my lip balm made by me, for your information. And that is why my lips looks this pink. Like, girl, if you want the recipe on how you can make this lip balm, by yourself at home, leave a comment in the comment section, okay? So yeah, that's good. And that's it, you guys. That is how I keep my skin glowing. My simple nighttime routine. I know it doesn't look so simple, but there are people that do more than this. But this is what I do, and that's how I keep my skin popping. And I don't even keep up with this routine. I just do it sometimes, but not all the time. Anyways, thank you for watching till this very end. If there's more things you want to see on this channel, don't forget to go to the comment section. I'll be reading. So yeah, good night.